All of a sudden I started getting knee pain, and it was like a sharp pain in my knee and it really hurt. It was really hard for me because I was doing pretty well in tennis and I was advancing, I think, for myself.
I was worried, why did he get an injury like that? Did he do too much, or something wrong, or something anatomic in there that, you know, made him prone to getting injured?
A meniscus is a semicircular ring that sits on top of the shin bone and serves as part of the shock absorber of the knee. In his case, he had what we call a radial tear, which is where the tear goes from the center of the joint out to the edge. Fortunately with him, we went in there and it was repairable, and what you do there is you place stitches on either side of the tear, and then when you tie the stitches together, it pulls the torn portion back together again.
It's hard to know that I would have to get surgery and then be out for, I didn't know how long at the time, so I was like, oh, is this gonna be like a 2-week thing, or is it gonna be like a 2-month thing?
No swelling.
I just think Dr. Gladstone is an excellent physician. I don't know that everyone would do the surgery the way he did it.
1 year and 2 days post-surgery. He has absolutely no pain. His knee looks great. He has no tenderness. It moves fully. I stress it in all the ways possible to provoke pain, and he has no pain.
So our high school has a varsity and a JV team, junior varsity, and I played varsity this year and I was really lucky to play third singles. I'm training to get back to like where I was and just to keep going up from there.